redo these drawers for my dresser in my room because I'm redoing my room. Y'all, I'm in the garage, so you probably will hear some noise because the neighbors are working on their house. But I'm gonna try to make it as simple as possible so you can get it. So y'all, we're gonna use some, this is the epoxy, and it also is food grade, so it's certified food grade. So it is the epoxy that I use because I do have grandkids that come over and I want to make sure they're safe. So this is the super clear, and it's on Amazon, and I paid like 60 bucks for it, and it does last a while. So this is it. I've already made my glitter mix, and I do use this. This is the Mylar, and you can get this from Walmart. I use Mylar in the mix with crushed glass and some glitter. So we're gonna make this real simple, y'all, and all I do is I've already mixed this epoxy together. So the next thing I do is I pour the glitter mix inside of the epoxy, and I do this because it makes for easier cleanup and everything, but you do have to be careful and go ahead and do it because it gets hard pretty quick. So I do my mixture. And actually, y'all, I don't know exactly how much I'll need, so I may have to mix some more, but I just, try to play it by, my visual, like, experiences with it. So all I do is do that. Then I pour, which I'm gonna get a cup, y'all, and I don't have it beside me, but I'm gonna get a cup and I'm gonna show you all how I pour it into the dresser. I didn't take this bling off. I didn't worry about this bling that's on here or anything else that's on there. I just spray painted it with some Rustoleum metallic paint, and then I'm just gonna put the epoxy in the middle. Now let me tell you what I did to the first set of drawers, which is still worked out. I used it separately. I used this and the epoxy separately, and when I used it separately, it was messy. So if you mix it together and put it in a cup and pour it in, it'll be easier. So I'm gonna get my cup, y'all, and I'll be right back. Okay, so Glam fam, what I'm gonna do is take this cup and pour the epoxy mix. And then I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna kind of like guide it, move it, so that it can cover everything. I'm gonna tell you, the dressers that I did before, they turned out really nice, and I didn't have to have it so, precise. Nothing was precise. So you just fill in the little parts, that it's open or whatever. And then we kind of let it dry a little bit, but I'm going to show you all how to put the knobs in. So I'm going to go ahead and do all 4 of these drawers, and then I'll come back and show you all how to put in the knobs. Okay, so 2 of them are done. So I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 2 so that you can see how it dries a little so it can stay stiff enough to put the knobs inside the, on top of the drawer. Okay, Glam fam, so we are finished putting the epoxy on the drawers, and we're gonna use these that I ordered from Amazon to use as the knobs. So all you're gonna do is take and I would line these up to the point where they're even so that you can get an even, because y'all know I ain't finna measure nothing. Y'all know me. So what you're gonna do is take the knobs and fit those knobs into there and stick them down as far as you can get them. So I'm just trying to line them up. So that's how you line them up, so that they will be about the same on each dresser. Under each drawer. So that's how you line them up. That's how I do it, because it's easier for me and I don't have to measure anything. So all I do is put it in a straight line. And my lines don't be that straight, but y'all know what it is. So that it can dry and the knob can dry into the drawer, so that you can be able to actually use the pulls, because I've done this before with E6000 and it comes off. This way it'll stay on the whole entire time you have it, unless you take a hammer and knock it off, because I've done that too with epoxy. So this is how I line mine up. Of course, you can measure, do whatever you need to do for you, but this is what works for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put those other knobs on, and I'm going to let this dry. And this is the last step, so we will be able to see how it actually looks on the dresser. So I want you all to stay tuned, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs. So we will be back so we can see the finished product of the dresser, and I got a chest as well. So stay tuned.